Hey, how's it going? In this drawing lesson, we're gonna do something really fun. We are gonna mix two characters together, Grimace and Bryson from Haminations. It's gonna be simple, easy, for beginners. Hit that like if you like this kind of stuff, and let's jump right into the video right now. Okay, so let's hop right into it. We're gonna go right into the head of Bryson. We're gonna have like a Bryson head, more or less Grimace body. So that's kind of the way I'm gonna run it. So right now, we're gonna go right here and draw the S curve that Bryson has in his hair. Pull it down a little bit more. Up over here, seesaw shape back. Up over here, seesaw shape back. A little bit more of an S curve right there. Up, back, down. All right, so far so good. Maybe draw a little line over here across for the hair, where the hair ends. And I'm gonna go over here and draw this kind of like underneath that hair swoop. Curve like so. And now we're gonna bring in some Grimace energy here, okay? We're gonna go out, over here on this side, out, because Grimace is basically a big triangle. A little bit more. All right, and then from here, I'm gonna draw a line out over here for the hands, so the arms, gonna go right here as well. Line right here under the arm right there. And continue to go out, curve. Again, Grimace's body, very, 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 that kind of shape pretty much. Don't forget to subscribe, by the way, if you haven't. Hit the subscribe, click the bell notification. There is no downside to doing this. You can always unsubscribe later, but posting all kinds of cool ideas that you guys give me. So I'm gonna go down over here, curve around this side. And I'm gonna just pull the line across here for the bottom. Right on. Gonna go over here to the fingers, curve. And I'm going to actually, I forgot, I'm gonna put, well, okay, I'll do the curve, 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 curve for the... Okay, let's take a quick break and talk about the Cute Drawing ebook, Cute Starter. This will teach you pretty much everything you need to know about how to make your characters adorable and chibi. So what is cute exactly, right? I would say 90% of it is in the proportions, and they're mostly the same. And I'm gonna go over them with you step by step. Larger head, larger eyes, smaller body, but in what facet? I have some charts here. These are visual guides. So this will guide you on your journey, and it's pretty much non-reading. There's hardly any reading in this. And the cool part is once you learn these proportions, you're gonna know them forever. And that's the best part about it. So this is 100% free. I offer it to you. Go down to the description, click the link, download it, and let me know what you think about the ebook. Hand on one side. On the other side, I'm gonna actually put a shake over there. So thumb right here on this side. Line over here for the top of the drink. Up over here, cross down. Line down right there for the drink shape. And I'm gonna draw the other fingers wrapping around it. So 1, 2, 3. Pull down over here, curve underneath, up. For that bottom of that drink there. So it'd be like a Bryson shake or a Haminations shake. I don't know what you would call that. Let me know what you'd call that drink. Let me know in the description. That sounds kind of goofy. I'm gonna go right here, draw a line right here for the shirt. Line right here because he's gonna have that shirt. That's gonna take from Bryson on that one. Curve underneath for the collar of the shirt. Okie doke. So far, so good. We're doing pretty well. Hopefully you're doing well keeping up. All right. So, all right, let's kind of push in a little bit further on this. So let's draw the design on his shirt.
circle. Kind of like a U shape here, a W shape, line, line. It's like a happy face, I think, that Bryson has on his shirt. Line, line here. I think he has like a circle right there. There you go. It's kind of, I don't know why it's like hard for me to understand what's on the shirt. Let's go down for the leg, down for the leg. So it's gonna have Grimace's legs. They're stuck together. They're not totally stuck together, but he tends to have them together. Line in the middle. Out, in, up, out, down, right here. Right on, right on. And we're gonna go into the, oh yeah, I forgot, bottom of the shirt here. Sweet. And let's go over here to the eyes, and we're gonna draw very Bryson-y eyes. So right here, we're gonna draw a line underneath for underneath the eyes. Curve up right there for that circle shape for the eye. Circle shape for this eye, and we're just gonna fill that in totally dark. Right on, right there. Sweet, digging that so far. And for the mouth, he tends to have like this open, like, ha, mouth, like, ha, you know, how's it going? I'm gonna give him a little bit of a Grimace edge to that. So he's got that cleft in the middle of his mouth the way Grimace does. Curve around the corner here. And curve line right there for the tongue. And we're gonna fill it in. All right, right there. And I forgot about the drink. Let's put something in that drink. Again, let me know what you would call that drink. I have no clue what you'd call. Line up for the straw. Curve around the corner here, down, giving that straw, you know, something going on there. And that is it. I guess, yeah, that's it. Thank you so much. I appreciate it. You're amazing. Thank you for following. I want you to give this a big thumbs up if you enjoyed it, if you followed it to this point. And that's pretty much the end of the video, okay? Don't forget to say hi, say what's up, how's it going? I respond to every single comment, so definitely say hi. And I hope you like this mixture. Give me some ideas for mixtures, and I'll see you next time.